Guys, you will not what happened. It was crazy. Cody72, Whitey, or Cody72 joined my Offroad Outlaws game. Yes, that is right. I said my freaking Offroad Outlaws game. Yeah, he joined. Oh, damn it. Come on. Here we go. Guys, literally, that's what happened. He joined my game. Cody72 literally joined my game. And I asked, am I in a video? And he said, maybe. Also, guys, something's happened since you've seen this thing. And, my Raptor, also, I kind of sold my Raptor. I sold my Cuda. And I have to rebuild it. That's my Barracuda. R.I.P. Barracuda. It lived no life. Also, I haven't done anything to this little thing right here. Also, guys, I was using Big Bertha right here. I was using it. Yeah, I added a snorkel, even though I'm probably not drowned in this thing. I'm talking about the engine. This thing is like freaking feet off the ground. This reminds me of Monster Max. Holy man. This actually looks like Monster Max, so tiny. I might try and build Monster Max. Monster Max is cool. It's a pretty cool truck. So guys, I created... Oh, wait. Did I sell my trailer? I don't remember selling my trailer. Great, well, now I have to make gold and cash just to now get a new trailer. You'll see what just happens. I want to show you guys what happens if I hit backwards and then I go forwards. Something happened. Yeah, it does wheelies. It never used to do wheelies. Just saying, it never used to do wheelies. That was crazy. Whoa, Jesus. Front wheelie right there. Yeah, that's it's a good way to kill me. Yeah, I just said it's a good way to kill me. Or that's a good way, too. But, guys, Cody72 literally joined my map. I mean, his map. I was in multiplayer. And I was not expecting him to join my game. For being in my server. And hashtag, guys, say hashtag Cody72 in the comments. Say hashtag Cody72. I did ask him if I was in a video and he said maybe. So, that might be yes. Holy man, I did so many front or backflips. Okay. Also, if you were able to, like, join people that you, like, know, like, your maps, or, like, you can, like, friend people and then join them, that'd be awesome and sick. Please add that, developers. That'd be, cool, because I want to be able to, like, join Cody72. You guys are like, oh, he's just faking it. We're just gonna unsubscribe from this piece of whatever you guys call me. Judge me, I don't care. Also, guys, I think you've been typing some rude things in the comments because I cannot look at the comments. I've been scrolling down and looking. I'll literally record a video and show you that. But guys, you can add me on Discord. I'm just gonna ask my sister if she can help me add people. Because if you guys want to be able to talk to me, you might. Oh my god, the thing can do stoppies. Hit that like button if you know what a stoppie is. Oh yeah, well I just picked up, that was a parts box, by the way. I don't know if if you don't even go to school or college, or if you've been living under a rock for many years. You probably don't know about the Tesla Cybertruck. And when you buy the Tesla Cybertruck, and you're going to look like a freaking Kohen. Yeah, I can't cuss anymore. But I want people to be able to save my videos, because if your videos are like made for kids, you can't save them. I tried to do wheelies in my monster truck, and guess what? It didn't work. Maybe it's because it has too much weight. I actually think so. Hey, what? The wall just said maybe it has too much weight. I agree. Yeah, you should agree, idiots! Okay, jeez. Guys, like this video if you have an intro suggestion that says, hey, stupid here. If you're just like this video if you want an intro that just says that. Like the video if you want that. It doesn't even hurt my feelings, is the cool thing. This thing looks so disgusting. I don't know if I would ever want this. This thing looks like it's been in an ocean for too long. Okay. You guys might know about Unspeakable. And you might know about many YouTubers. Okay, never mind. I saw like a box up there is like, oh my god, books! Wow, so powerful! I saw nothing. That's all I saw was nothing. I got this thing, I believe I can fly. Guys, I cannot speak anymore. Uh-oh, guys, I think I lost my vehicle. Guys, my vehicle is taking so much longer. I'm not going to be able to I'm not going to be able to pay any more money to repair this thing. This thing is gone. What I mean by gone is it's just too expensive. Yeah, it's too expensive. Wow, so expensive. Wow. Okay, we're not going that way because there's really nothing over there. I just hit that like button. You just want to see a normal intro also. No. Okay, now I'm stuck. Alright, well I guess I'm just going to exit. But guys, Cody72 did actually leave my game. But literally. Okay, hold on. Sorry about that. There was a little freaking dumb piece of crap ad. I hate it when ads are there. I despise ads. Literally, I despise them. Don't have to. Now I have to build it. Now, say, okay, maybe not. Now I only have 5 vehicles. That's great. You know what? I want to buy a cool crawler. But, you know, has anybody ever taught you you can't buy it? Yeah, you're welcome for the intro. Now I'm gonna go despise everything. I'm just kidding. There's lots of things I do despise though. Oh, despised. Cause I despise everything. I despise everything, and I say that is a yin yang spin dime. Yin yang spin dime. That's my terrible singing, by the way. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. That's off. Okay, hold on. There we go. It looks bad. Actually, hold on. Do that. Perfect. And we're gonna hit that. So now that should be on. Yep, there we go. Now it's on the other side. And now I have to do the text number thing. Also, in this game, you can also type words. So I guess this game is a Christian game. My Summer Christian Simulator. We're doing number 75 in red.
Just based off of this arm, you know, like even my arms, it's just not a very good arm. You use Premiere, so you gotta up the points for that. You have the Twitch app, which is a little weird. The Twitch has an app. That's crazy. Yeah. What else do you have? Uplay is on your desktop. Strange choice. Don't typically think that. You also have Fortnite on your desktop. You know? He's got CC Cleaner on there. Does he? Look with that. What do you got? What do you got, North? You got North? I just don't have any cleaner at all. Alright, I'm gonna get 117. I think that's worthy of a 7. What about you, Alex? Yeah, I'm going to 5. Doesn't do no bad.
The vehicle 75.
Starting off kind of strong. Nice.
Kid.
Lot to look at.
When.
Hey, wait. My man.
Ger.
Okay, this is sick. Okay, he's got the racing chair and the
69. That's what the engine of a child mover is. Kid Blender 69. You're gonna. Let's. Okay.
That'd be sick. That'd be intense. I actually.
Bye.